Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the most effective quick fixes. First, confirm your Wi-Fi or cellular data is active and airplane mode is off. iMessage needs network access. Next, toggle iMessage in settings messages off, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on to re-register with Apple servers. Finally, restart your iPhone. A full reboot clears transient network or cache problems. Once done, open Messages and try receiving a picture. This often fixes common handshake or caching errors. Now you'll dig into account and network settings that commonly block images. Sign out of your Apple ID in settings messages send and receive, then sign back in so iMessage rebinds to your account. This resolves identity or route issues. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted Wi-Fi or APN data. Note this removes saved networks. Also confirm MMS and cellular data are enabled in settings so multimedia can transfer when Wi-Fi is weak. Finish with deeper fixes and a clear troubleshooting step. Update iOS to the latest version to get bugs and networking improvements. Outdated firmware often causes media failures. If an image still won't load, delete the conversation thread and ask the sender to resend. The attachment may be corrupt. As a last resort, backup and restore your iPhone or contact Apple support. Make sure you have timestamps, screenshots, and any error messages ready so they can reproduce the issue faster. If it fails, note that carrier MMS limits can also block delivery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.